In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. We're going to walk through how to access and run a handy plugin in Figma and then export your work as a new project. If you're in an open design file, you're ready to follow along. I'll take it slow and add helpful context so nothing feels confusing. Start by clicking on the Figma icon in the top left corner of your screen. This opens the main application menu and gives you access to tools beyond the canvas. From that menu, move down and click on Plugins. This is where you'll find options to discover, manage, and run plugins that extend Figma's capabilities. Next, click on Manage Plugins. This opens the management window where you can see what's installed and browse for more. In that window, make sure you're in the Plugins and Widgets section. This view lets you search the entire library and control what's available in your workspace. Use the search bar and type Figma to code. You're looking for the plugin that helps convert your designs into developer-friendly output. In the results, click on Teleport HQ. This is the Figma to code solution we'll use. If you don't see it right away, double check your spelling or try a shorter keyword like Figma 2. Next to the plugin, click on the three dots to open its options menu. This small menu gives you more actions beyond a simple run. From there, click on View Details. The Details page is useful for confirming you have the right plugin, reviewing what it does, and seeing any notes from the publisher about features or updates. But when you're ready, click on Run. This launches the plugin inside Figma. Give it a moment to load. You'll usually see a panel appear with options related to your current file or selection. If any on-screen prompts appear, just follow them so the plugin can access your design context properly. Inside the plugin, find and click on Export as a new project. This tells the plugin to package your selected frames or the designated parts of your design and create a clean, separate project. It's a great way to keep your generated output organized and distinct from any previous work. If there are optional settings, consider naming the export clearly and ensuring the right frames or pages are included for a smooth handoff. That's it. You've opened Figma's plugin menu, managed your plugins, found Teleport HQ's Figma to code, viewed its details, ran it, and exported your design as a new project. Pause and replay any section as needed, and you'll be set to repeat this workflow with confidence.